Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made couldn't end to you. Walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who to send it to. Well, oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. Well, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You got to help me make a stand. Just got to see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. And I won't make it any other way. But oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. Well, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. I've been walking my mind through an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. And there's hours of time on the telephone line, I talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. With oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. Well, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you, baby, one more time again. Thought I'd see you one more time again. There's just a few things coming my way this time around now. Thought I'd see you fire and rain, fire and rain.